Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am AttiDude back in another video. In this video, we're going to be making an accounting script in Java. The script is going to be very easy and beginner friendly. So stay tuned till the end and let's start making up our script. But first, wait, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell. Okay, so now let's get started. The software for coding that I'm using is Notepad++. Let's click on this to open up. This was the class that we created in our last video. So let's make a new class, new script, new file, and then go to language, J in Java to select the language. Okay, so this is going to be a very easy script, accounting. First of all, it will ask the username and then it will ask us the password. Okay, so first of all, we need to import a package that comes with Java. Its name is java.util. And this multiplication sign means that all the packages we have to import. Let's create our class. I'm going to name this account. Public static void main string args. And then here we'll first write system.out.println. And we'll write enter username. But first, wait. First of all, we will create a new scanner. Scanner reader equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so now we have created a scanner and now we will save our file as accounting. It should be the same name as the file account, and then we will select the language, the extension to be Java. Right here .java extension. These were the two Java files that we created in our videos. So now we create our file and save it. Okay, so now it's time to take input from the user. First of all, we will take string. This is going to be the user name input. That is going to be the input, that is reader dot next line. For the string input we use reader dot next line, not reader dot next string as we wrote in Flute. And this syntax varies from one variable type to another. For floats we write reader dot next float. For char we write reader dot next dot char at 0, like that. And so first of all, we also need to create a variable that is type of string, and that is the user name. Okay, and we define this to be something like AttiDude. Okay, the username is AttiDude, and then we also need to create the password for that. String password equals to, I'm going to name that string please subscribe my channel, but I'm not going to leave any space. You can leave if you want. I'm also going to add a semicolon. Okay, so now we are going to copy this, paste that here, and here we write password, and we also get another input from the player, but name this password input. And now we'll check if is a statement that we use for checking if a value is equal or greater than, less than, and we check in some conditions. We write condition inside this bracket and then open up the curly brackets as I will show in the video. Okay, so now here we will write our condition that if password dot equals, we cannot write double equals as that we write in floats and integer, but in strings or char we need to write dot equals, and if it is a string then we'll write in double quotes, and if it is a char we'll write in single quote. Okay, so in here we'll check if our password is equal to password input. First of all we'll check username. Okay, if username is correct, then and then only we'll ask for password, else we won't be asking. And here is another statement, else, and in else we'll write system.out.println, print, enter correct username. Okay, and then in here we will also check that if password dot equals password input, then we'll write system dot out dot println, and we'll write username. First of all, welcome, leave a space, and like this. If the username is AttiDude, so it will say welcome AttiDude, and if this doesn't happen, then we need to write this, enter correct password, and then it should again ask for this. This should not be there, only this thing, but for now we'll leave as it is. Okay, we save and then open up cmd or command prompt, locate our file E, and then here we'll write java c account.java. It will compile, then it says that some errors. In C# that is E, like this, equals, but in Java, that is small e. We can again compile Java C account.java. You can see there is no error. Then we can run a class, enter the username. For now I'll write AttiDude, enter password. Alright, please subscribe my channel. Yes, it said welcome AttiDude. But if we write wrong strings, what would happen? If we write AttiDude, wrong spelling, and it says enter correct username. Yes, that happens. So now we'll again write username. I'll write correct, but the password should be wrong. Enter correct password. So this is it, guys, for today's video, and hope you like the video. And if you haven't liked, share, subscribe my channel yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. And with this we end today's video. So I am AttiDude signing.